Okay. Just adding simple export rate to my pirateship account. So I just went to pirateship, clicked on the chat, and this is what they told me. Just a couple of quick questions. Excited? Yes. Will you consider optional insurance? Yes. Final question. Are you prepared to explain to your customers that their package will be delivered twice, once domestically and once to their destination country? Yes. And I passed the trials apparently, and I've enabled simple export rate for pirateship. Now be an option the next time I create an international shipment for £4 or less. Excellent.